All right, here they are installed, super lightweight. They're Lego basically, you plug and play, and then once you find a spot you want for an outlet, you leave one piece exposed, plug in your cord, and then that's it. Put a screw in each little section. It's got a little hole for it. I did this all in one day, these 3 sections. And let me show you what the basement looks like. So for the shop down in the basement, I did this. I just took the long ones and just made this, and it gives out the perfect lighting in here. So this is another option for those lightings. You can pretty much do anything with those lightings because they're just plug and play however you want it to look. But there's what we got. Now for this one, what I did, I didn't hardwire it. I plugged it in, cut an extension cord, wired it to the extension cord, and then wrapped it around here, and then just have it in the plug if you want to do it that way, if you're not good with electricity. But anyways, that's what the lights look like in here. Just a little bit of a different option.